I came across this ad that was like, Blueland, products you use for life, and I just haven't had that same experience. I'll show you why. We have one poor broken bottle here. Hello internet, I'm Elise. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. Otherwise, welcome back. What's up? Hope you've been good. I am super excited for today's video. It is going to be a sustainability brand review. The first one I'm doing is Blueland. I'm hoping to turn this into a series. If you guys have any brands you want me to review on sustainability, where they stand, how they're doing and all that jazz, go ahead, comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. So how did I find Blueland? Well, I'm pretty sure it was an Instagram ad. I saw their Instagram is actually really aesthetically pleasing. I love the way it looks. It's so peaceful and serene and like kind of ocean centered. So it was really nice when I saw that, and I've like been looking at it for like months, and then finally my roommates and I were like, okay, like we'll go in on the kit, get the kit, because it's a little kind of an investment, and then we'll just go from there, see if we like it, see if we want to keep using it. So it's been a few months now. It's been about 5 months of using these products, and overall they work. I'll say that they work. But I want to get into like the nitty-gritty of everything. I recommend the Everyday Clean Kit because I think it's just like your essentials and then some, which is really nice. So it comes with a glass and mirror cleaner with a blue little button on the back. This is the bathroom cleaner. This one is the multi-surface, and that's yellow. So it's all kind of color coordinated with the refills. So multi-surface is yellow, the refill pack is yellow. Obviously there's like lettering, so it says what it is, but it's just nice that they color coordinate. It makes my brain happy. I like that kind of thing. And then it also comes with the dish soap refill kind of silicone container. And then lastly, it comes with a foaming hand soap glass container and comes with a plastic pump as well. When it got shipped to us, it was like this nice big box, and then you open it up. There's no plastic packaging like whatsoever inside of it, which I thought was amazing because a lot of brands seem to not be able to get away from that. Then you open the box and it's all like kind of compartmentalized, so everything is like really snug in its spot. All those boxes you can reuse for reorganization, or of course you can recycle them, but let's try and reuse our things before we recycle them. This just came in the mail from Blueland. It is the refills of my favorite products. So I just wanted to unbox this and show you guys kind of like how they package and send their items. So just paper, boom. You see some of them. Yeah, these are the hand soap refills, and underneath, yes, the dish soap pouches. Honestly, this is my favorite stuff. I probably will continue to repurchase. I just love the powder form, the powder to water to bubble ratio. It just does it. It does it. I do want to mention though, I have gotten Blueland shipments and separate shipments where I have had like an order and only ordered 4 things or 5 things, and it sends out like 2 packages, maybe even a third one of like a really tiny box. That has happened to me in the past, but I do like how minimal their packaging is. I also learned that Blueland does offset their carbon emissions. They've partnered with Southern Plainlands Trust. That's something I kind of give them high marks for, because a lot of companies will be like, we're green, we're sustainable, and like obviously they're producing product, so they are producing emissions, but it was really nice to see that they do have carbon offset. Then we get into the pricing, and this was kind of like a hurdle on like deciding if we even wanted to try out these products or not, because the kit is $70 and it only comes with your bottles and 1 refill, so essentially 1 use of whatever it is. I thought that was kind of a lot to spend, but if you break it down, it's like $10, $12 per bottle plus whatever. If you think about it, when you go to the store and you buy like a bottle of Mrs. Meyer's, it's probably like $5 for that bottle, and then if you want to buy concentrate, like that's like another 10 for like reuse. You just kind of have to weigh the pros and cons of the cost. I do think it's a little pricey, but it also is really nice that you do get these paper refill pouches. That's the biggest edge it has on its competition sustainability wise, because if you do use any other like green product, you're probably going to be ending up still buying like a bunch of plastic bottles. I know there is another company, Grove Collective, that I might want to try out. Let me know if you guys are interested in that. For their hand soap, it ranges from $6 to $14, and the options are 3 refills, 6 refills, or 9, and that is the same for all of the cleansing sprays, the dish soap, and dishwasher tablets, which I didn't even talk about the dishwasher tablets, but this is what it comes in. It's so fucking adorable. I can't wait to use this for something else when we're not using the dishwasher tablets. It's like this little tin, and then all of your tablets are in here like this. I think these do fine. I don't think our dishwasher is very efficient, so I cannot 100% safely say that this will clear off all stuck on food and everything, just because I haven't seen that happen. And I do think it's our dishwasher. I'm not going to necessarily blame the product. The dishwasher ranges from $14 to $32 with each pouch containing 40 tablets, which is pretty good. Dish soap ranges from $10 to $24, and that's also comes like in a pouch. So yeah. Quality wise, I mean, I do think it works. I will say some of the sprays, like they do have a funky scent. Like I don't particularly like the bathroom cleanser spray. It has some sort of off-putting smell to me. This is fine. I really do like the multi-surface cleanser as well. I think my favorite products though would have to definitely be the dish soap. This is my number one. I love that it's a powder, because when you go and pour it on like grease and everything, I think the grit of the powder also does a really good job of like breaking things up. And then of course activated with water, it just does such a great job. And I also really like the hand soap. I love that it's foaming. Foaming hand soap to me is just kind of like extra fancy, even though it's nothing special. But I do like it, and for the holiday they did come out with like different scents and everything, so it's nice to see that they are still being innovative but also like green at the same time. Now, would I say it's worth it? I don't think so necessarily, because there are cleaning supplies and products that you can make. I'm gonna again reference the video that I made about everyday cleaning supplies the green way and super cheap, that work just as well. And in my opinion, I don't think it's necessary to spend and kind of splurge on cleaning supplies that you do use every day and go through so quickly. So I don't think it's worth it. I do think it's on the pricier side. I also came across this ad that was like, Blueland, products you use for life, and I just haven't had that same experience. I'll show you why. We have one poor broken bottle here. Wherever, I don't know, it starts to like taper off at the top, it got dropped one day and like completely broke. And then also like the back, the colorful part of like the pump is completely gone. And sometimes it just doesn't spray. Like the pump stops working too. I think if you're gonna charge that much, you should make it worthwhile. And that is something I find like a lot of big sustainability kind of brands will do. They'll give you something that's meant to last for life, and it lasts like 2 months. So that to me is a money grab. That to me is saying like, we actually don't have sustainability at our forefront, because if they did, then I wouldn't have to repurchase another spray bottle. Perfect example of what I'm talking about with their like bottles not being very sturdy or meant to last for a lifetime. Like this literally just fell over as I was cleaning, and just like there's now cleaning solution literally everywhere. But that's what I mean. If you're gonna market that this is supposed to like last you for life, it shouldn't break just like falling over on the counter. I think their quality needs to take a second look, maybe change the design of the bottles or something. But I mean, they're super cute, they're aesthetically pleasing, but I want something that's actually quality and actually gonna last me a long time. I don't want to have to repurchase spray bottles. Some of the ingredients they use are PEG, which is a petroleum derived something or other. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but it did say in their website. So I think for a green company, that might not be something that they should have in their products if they really want to drive getting away from oil dependency. That's just food for thought. Maybe it's something they could improve on. I understand like there are some ingredients that are harder to get, harder to source, ethically and everything like that. But I just would like to see like a completely petroleum-free product at some point. If you go and look at their website, they have like a shit ton of like certifications, like EPA safety, clean ingredients, and like USDA biograde friendly, whatever. Like they do a good job overall, but there are like a few nuances that I just think they should nip in the bud or kind of like steer away from as best they can, and try to get away from those things. I do think it effectively replaces single-use household cleaning products though, so I do think they do a good job there and keeping like more of a closed loop while also still being able to like make money with their refills. On another note, they are a small company. They only have 12 employees. They do blog posts and everything, so that's where I've gotten a lot of this information. And yeah, so I know it's a small company, a small brand, and I hope this isn't like detrimental. I definitely don't think it will be, but I do want to give like some tips and advice on the kind of like my perspective and my view as a customer and as someone who is a sustainability advocate. And I just would love to see this brand do it a little bit better if it's going to be as costly as it is. And I think that if they do that, I would love to support Blueland in the long run and be right behind it, but as of right now, I can't say I am, so I will give this brand a 6 out of 10. I don't love it, I really don't hate it, but it gets the job done. I'm probably not going to repurchase it, but I really do, I would probably stay with the dish soap and the hand soap because these two, I think, are the absolute best of the Blueland line. While I'm here, I'm actually going to demo how it works. So what you do is you have your empty bottle. You have your empty bottle and your refill. So this is multi-surface cleanser. So I'm going to go ahead and drop in the tablet. Cool. I boiled some water earlier and literally almost burnt myself transporting it to my room. Oh my god, wait, this is totally gonna burn me if I spill. Alright, wish me luck. Oh my god. Okay, this is the messiest demo ever, but you get the gist. You fill it to the line. Yeah, look at it go. It's dissolving. So then you put the pump in and you're gonna give it a shake. So. It smells really clean. How am I supposed to shake it if it's gonna like do all that mess? There it goes. I mean, you can see it dissolving, so. I think they nailed a lot of things about the aesthetic of the brand and brand imaging and making it a product that people like to reach for. I mean, cleaning supplies really aren't the cutest. These are hella cute though, like I will give them that. But again, it's all about the sustainability for me, and if you're not going to pull through there, then honestly it doesn't really matter, and I would rather just make my own products. So that's probably what I'm going to continue doing, and no hate to Blueland, but like I said, if you want to be about it, be about it. Don't just say you are, and that's how I feel. That is all for today's review. I hope you guys liked it. I mean, if it was scathing, that's just how it is. Excuse me. I'm really not going to sugarcoat things. Our planet is like in dire need of help and just like rebalance and what we've done to her. So I'm not going to cut corners on reviews just because I want to play nice. I'm going to give it how it is and show you guys what I like and what I don't like. And maybe there'll be more things I don't like or more things I like. We'll see. Thanks so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe if you're interested in seeing any more videos from me. I do sustainability topics, sometimes just life shit, makeup, fashion, beauty, whatever, those sorts of things I find all interesting and like to share on my channel. Go ahead, give this video a thumbs up for sustainability reviews. I want to know if you're into them or what. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!